Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to boot into Android recovery without using the typical power button method where you power off the device and then you have to press usually volume up and power at startup to get into Android recovery to do a data factory reset. Alright, so if you want to get easier method to get to Android recovery, this is the tutorial for you. So this is a new alternative method to get into the Android recovery. Now note that this usually is not available on every tablet. Now this tablet is a newer type Android tablet. It's running Android 15. Also it has different in terms of it's running Android Go, which is a lighter version of Android, which is basically same Android except lighter. All right, so that's the things you need to note. It might not be the same on all tablets, but you can expect this for modern tablets. All right, so it might be in yours, this might not be. All right, so just to get that out of the way. I do not control what's on these devices, but it's a possibility. All right, so to boot into Android without the usual button smash at the power on, follow along. All right, so you're gonna go to settings. All right, so here we are in settings. So you're gonna go down. All right, so you're gonna go to system. All right, so once you're in system and seen here, you're gonna go down. We're gonna go to reset options. All right, so here's the key part here, guys. Usually all of these are available. The first three are usually available, but in this particular version of Android, there's this other option here that says recovery mode. All right, tap, and there you go. Notice it says here, guys, and that's not a normal setting, but it's a new one that's on some tablets. You're gonna reboot now, and it says reboot to recovery mode. It's very easy, and I'm not gonna cut the video just to show you that it's one smooth transition, that it will boot right into recovery mode without needing to press anything. All right, so I'm not pressing anything currently. I'm just waiting, and there you go. We're in recovery mode. So it was able to boot into recovery mode without needing to smash any buttons. All right, so again, you see reboot system now. There's enter fast boot, apply updates, and the option here. But at this stage, you'll need to be able to press at least volume up or down, especially volume down, and power to select. So we're gonna go down the options, and we're gonna go to wipe data and factory reset. See that? That's the option in the middle there, and we're gonna select. Notice it says it will wipe all your data. Make sure that you're backed up, and I'm just demonstrating. So we're gonna go down here and we're gonna tap here. If I were to select with the power now, it would factory reset my device. It will wipe it. There'll be some text, then of course it will be finished in a few seconds, and then it would wipe my device. All right, so it's power to select. You can do that on yours, but I'm just showing you how to do it on this one. So I'm not going to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel for mine, but for yours you'd select the option. So I'm going to select cancel. It's going to be here, and you can go ahead and do a reboot system now. By rebooting the system now, what should happen is that it should reboot the system, and of course to start up. Do note, on first boot up, it will take longer than normal. That's normal, as it will just take a time to deploy the operating system properly. That is different from a normal boot, so do not think it's stuck. So just give it the time to do its thing. All right, so what I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm just going to do a quick reboot system now. Reboot system now, and that's it. I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and see you in the next one, guys. Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.